The world is on the cusp of the next industrial revolution.
I mean, it used to be it's just what you carried with you that was connected, but now it's going to be anything, anywhere will be connected.
The Internet of Things, or IoT, is changing the way we live, work and play.
So you could be talking about a sensor in the field that's measuring moisture, or you could be talking about a smoke alarm that's sitting in a house. The applications and the uses are really only limited by our imagination at the moment.
The global surge in IoT innovation has brought Vodafone to this muddy field in Clevedon.
We're testing narrowband IoT on our network, which is pretty exciting for us.
What we've got here is we've got a narrowband IoT modem that's connected to this extra antenna, and this unit is then talking to that base station over there. It's got sensors for temperature and pressure and humidity.
So we can compare the temperature in the farm here to the temperature in Ottawa, and strange enough, it's not that different.
But when they come to actual commercial deployment, they'll probably be about the size of a box of matches. So you'll be able to put them in quite a lot of places without actually noticing at all.
Narrowband IoT is a low-power, wide-area network designed especially for the Internet of Things.
We have to build a network which can cope with these millions of connected devices, make it secure and reliable, and provide an environment where this innovation can thrive.
This information will be basically sent into machine-to-machine portals, so you'll be able to get access to it pretty much anywhere where you can get access to the internet.
The advantages of low-power, wide-area network technology is that it enables small packets of data to be sent really great distances, and it enables those devices to be deployed with a battery life in excess of 10 years in some cases. So that means that things that have previously been too expensive or too difficult to deploy now start to become a reality. When it's rolled out, we expect to see a new wave of innovation and a whole bunch of different applications for people finding new ways of doing things.
And supporting innovation is a natural fit for Vodafone.
We don't have the exclusive domain on where technology is headed. You know, we provide the network and the right environment for it, but the ability to work for innovators like we've got in Zone is really cool, and it's quite rewarding to be, you know, part of an organisation based in New Zealand that's helping take that innovation globally.
It's a global wave that could mean very good things for New Zealand's agricultural sector.
It will mean that pretty much anything on his farm could have connectivity and could have sensors on it. He'll be able to, I don't know, see if the gate's open for the stock going in and out. He'll be able to see how high the water level is on the river on his property.
Right through from an environmental monitoring, like what's happening with your soil and your waterways, through to tracking livestock. Also, I think environmentally it's really important. So for New Zealand, measuring the quality of our waterways is something that's quite dear to our hearts. This technology enables things like that to become a reality, and for us to measure things like water quality in real time. Vodafone at large has said that we expect to start rolling out this technology in 2017, and rollout plans will vary depending on which country, but we'd like to be an early adopter and an innovation within Vodafone Group and globally, because Vodafone's leading the world on this.